Hello everyone. So today I'm going to tell you about mascara hack. So let's get started. Step first is to curl your lashes. हम इसको कर्लर से पहले लैश को अच्छे से कर्ल कर लेंगे. And then I'm using this Maybelline mascara. Apply a coat of mascara on your lashes. And second step is to apply any powder on your lashes. And after that apply another coat of mascara properly on your lashes. और अब आप खुद ही डिफरेंस देखना. And now I'm applying on another. So now you can see the difference in my lashes. For more such videos, subscribe my channel and hit the like button. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.